Shugatiti abayiwa Ghana ni son of a fair wono wo bobra ye kasa abra boss le queensi ya sugar eka ho bia enne nyankopon aboa no se hwan so na boa no we bie restaurant fefe ewo eye wo su na ukọ sugar restaurant ho a seven chance ya de several kran ye design is sebi be man sebi omokote ye do ma hemu enum na nkwan no efi bade begu fufuo so atum se geli wo okọ nanim pa wo de niema ekọ nanim sugar epiemu ewo Romeo eye aso eye didi nkomo ewo radio so na nkomo didiem na sugar no tie ni kasama wo yobi a wo fifie ntem ai wo tratra nkrofo nchene ni step mothers na tem so no abrabọ no osi mwacha emre bi no pe bebi krade ne niema egu a wonya na danfo bi a woni ni di nkomo keke ewo social media koda ne nchen abrantie no efa eyi ho repuna na wada na o chire so wodan so wan shed dross wodan no wan shed dross so de bibia ti wiwrem bra yi repuna wo de aye asua de kese pa de atuna de sisi ade yengi ni pendi kan ya se sebe Ghana fo asofo bi o ha kra sebe wo mo mbu ho wo mo nyina ba ne di yemu ebe se ne pe yes sugar so no so you be o kan prepare was wo ntwantro Ghana fo asofo bebre na ese ne pe na so won be wie na disappointment abem won be kasika kese na so obehwe ni masika no emma wow mayenti sugar emra sisia
na meti mami bi nchen mami your friend no yes your friend no Ellen Asamoah
okay
and see auntie Ellen na meti nchen the girl no eba Kumasi no they were hailing her and all that no look at say person me ba cry no so remember you understand but once we personal like meet me and disclose what I say
of course
but the kind you know enye na be hu ha na enye it wasn't good.
Wow.
It wasn't good. Also, and I'm making if it's about me alone, come cheer me but
yeah,
Charlie.
Nti person be me hu de e course no. Person be catch there.
No. But if we be free no me kotena hostel.
Okay.
Hey, bagana me bit more than you.
Adin.
Because me figure no for na me pe be dem nyema gu. Abranti be me koda na nchen. Oni me say boy ni repeat me for say na me die.
Na o anything.
Manya no hede na be ye no. Ko so pe baby ada.
Na sometimes no bi anso ni mo nso.
Obi one ni mo. Esa se beto be simiti ma na me ra ho me say eh enti baby
obi a repoping.
Oh. Just say. Mami baby nda.
Sometimes now di be how many years?
Sometimes me how many kan no be 18.
Until at the age of 18 obi repo.
Because it wasn't
one son now. Son, yeah, sir. But we repu me no. I am be say me who how me and how. What children son as then.
When someone sleeps with you without your consent, that is rape. And I'm a boy.
Until now, what done them ho?
No matter.
Ne bed so.
Yes.
Now we name the baby ah.
Me name the baby oh. Now me nene chat keke but. Na me also ka so ni mo bia wonim no. Me name so your friend e bia nana.
Okay.
Nene chat o
social media friend.
Yes.
Kind of.
And maybe the my dream fine. I can say, oh, but some of them name I begu ha say na. Hostel na pesa me kono.
Yeah.
Almost Mondays no more pretty. The guy took advantage of me and.
Ntinya se o chechire wonan ana wonsa na mum na onye ready but o ya no die ana.
Yes, no matter. I was sleeping.
Nti woni tie na oye.
Of course.
Oh, etimi basa. Se wada na woni beti na obutu so.
Of course.
No you no.
Medani me ho. Medani me ho.
And they dey na ode.
They be na nya me there. O say
because all wrong we say o ka bet obi hu so be wrong.
There but so normally me I don't walk around with panties. So no, let's be fair. You get it. And obi abon nitiri mu poso obi ye bibi no obe ye.
Na also ko da be ma wonim ni ye ho na wo say on share pant de. Say de be ba no.
Oh, na say me shatare.
Na bi. Say no na opija ya wo hu.
Na so me share pant ka be ji string enye pillow.
Nti guy no. Oh, hunu biem.
Me hunu biem.
But onye na hwe.
Da me anya na hwe. So be fan say ya brabo. Me hia wo mo ameda won chen anka we nyina ma.
Okay. Nti e ba sa no the next day na free no.
Yes.
And now to aso tena kakra.
No me koy.
And now ko hostel ho no.
Yes.
Okay. And the hostel they what tena bi mu pa o. Hostel life they unim pa.
Oh yeah, but now hostel or Doko, but now hostel McCarthy Hills. The hostel there, yes. Because we buy we call music video being because she a girl be. Only introduce me to hostels, no.
Okay.
Mama who say, oh, you don't have to even stretch yourself so what now be in time and now you say because hostels now on for workers and students. Also your private hostels like that.
Yeah.
I'm sure okay into me kwa JB. It's a bear me do. I won't lie. Because I want to monthly and I say every quarter now bet you. I told baby we okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was it.
Sorry, at the saying, how do they receive you?
The reception is good. Shout out to my pastor Eric. Recently, no, me koye interview be postgun. I think 2 or 3 years ago. They started airing it. Say, me say me pastor person me dance. You know, until I'm for some time now. For some time now, I've not been going to church because I was caught up with exams and a lot of things, so I wasn't going.
That story, no, because I didn't believe it because I know say you go to church.
Yes,
you know, because I also quite sorry.
Yeah, I say like. Me quite sorry for some months. They even say 2-3 months. They been quite sorry. And I pause gonna supposed to and so they feel like maybe I need to major me could be for some time now, but that's not the case.
Said yeah, OTA me sure say nipa bebre ehia like bebre pew. Bebre person mo no wo ayonko fa bi oba ne be ma ayonko fa empamu agudi na de ade.
I hope na de daka ne sir.
Say high reduce nti. Do they come by themselves and almost man for bound chain?
Ebi small. Oh, how bit invest a new DM. I want to see you name your price.
Ye paying for. And you normal young guys.
Paying for be on car.
Into Obano DM said,
I want to see you. Name your price.
They almost all tongue.
I was a bit over.
Two name.
Debbie.
Two tongue.
Debbie.
Into such messages about DM, how do you respond?
I ignore them. Everyone something so I'm no master and which so.
I saw for count.
Of course.
Politicians.
Bachelor.
Footballers.
Just so.
Na say I didn't the old movie the old a professions.
Okay, Omunyaka.
Obi aba udiem an obi asmo bi so mbepel ma wa a shock you say nipa we pa manfasa nsusu no. Sofo. Yes. Odin
pa.
Osmai.
Ono ankasa bai.
How? I don't know your number.
Ene minim no. Say industry ne dia.
Nti ofreo. Fa jeni nim. Ofreo no kan dey. I say me ha sofo no frem am here.
Okay, I say. Sugar, I want to say, no, I say me ho you. Now when you pa o say, no me say there be no boni di.
Okay.
And I'm say okay. When are you free? Where can we meet?
Before na chi.
Before.
And any pana many down so no on chi no ka.
When are you free? Where can we meet? I'm say, oh. It depends. And where do you want us to meet? I'll say, oh, we can do restaurant. We can do restaurant up maybe 3. Because restaurant, you know. And I'm say restaurant works for me. Okay. So we can do Kozo.
Oh, now baby.
Yes, because we should do Kozo because Kozo the place is very dark. I like the place.
Anyway. Okay, by your map.
Yes.
Okay. I am baby high horse open dark places. Sumu.
Oh, like if I'm going on a date, I would want a place like that.
Yes, to protect Nipana and Okon.
Oh, not necessarily that. Okay. Because we know we go date, I'm going to try videos. This is my name now for date and we try videos. So.
Okay. Nti okay, I know today.
Me kind of say okay. Okay, but I know the kind of person he is, and you know, what about in close area?
Yeah.
You mean like like hotel or something? And I say okay. So what do you suggest? And I suggest oh, so me suggest baby I'm pay. And I was okay, then we should do qualis. I was okay, have someone there. I'm like booking. I'm like okay.
Nice street, more call them street.
Oh,
come on, could do.
You could do what them.
Okay.
Okay. I feel the okay prices no who say hey.
Okay then.
Prices no.
Hotel no prices no.
So qualis, I think say qualis standard room is the last time I was there, but the standard room now is $400 or something. It's $300 a night.
Okay.
that time.
And it's often on your guys. Na say we chicken feed my mom for.
Hey, there be not make us a standard room no.
Yeah, but I also want standard.
That's all no go just standard. Obese o chewa katabe. Like yeah.
Junior Henry.
So, oh yes, even after that time, like I said, I don't want to give wrong figures on, but qualities, because you say more presidential suit is about $5,000 in night or so. Yes.
Also, can now pay.
That episode was say you can't dim comment, you know, young quay. So, of course, I Fridays, no be also will be a home. Oh, sugar. I don't know, mommy, for size can my mom now young different hotel. I'm like, no, that's what I want.
Okay. So I was who person Buddha boom, said a bear yes.
I'm just not honor my pencil now. Obviously, I honor media. Oh, what's it? Saturday be a restaurant. So see, I don't know. Yeah, I'm saying, oh, we make preparations a be a restaurant. Hey, son, I've been here. I'm so roughly.
Yes, Samsung Kwano no.
Oh, I'm so roughly. Me I bear $20,000. I bear boy because rent need be
yeah. That time no bear 2 billion. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Says that $1 no from work.
Yeah. I'm so bear $20,000. I bear boy. I say, oh, no problem. Because you can become a mouse can. Okay. It's really them because of pay baby scar. Fide. But to I rather no one no pay go boni thing God I beg you. But to no friend me. Offer me na. Obviously say you say na be na say after the last one do kan. Me man mbra me fie.
She say oh, mema na omkasa bebre na memo ska say ya o ono be wan ya say ya
where your life experience if it Shugatiti ho ai o tum so church of no kra say o hia eye 2 billion na wo de be restaurant wow na wo kokasa ska kase we are own and say Ghana so for no o ye church of 2 billion e be fana ni 2 billion e ya semo e kwentwa makra